Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fry the most delicious, crispy, juicy fish. Alright, these are my ingredients and they will be listed in the description box below. So I'm adding water to the flour and cornstarch mixture along with my seasoning. And I'll whisk that until it becomes a nice smooth consistency. Make sure your batter is really well flavored. Now here is my dry rub, and this I would apply some oil over the fish. Make sure everything is nice and coated well before I go in with my dry rub. And my fish here, guys, is well seasoned. And now it's time to fry. Before doing, you must have some flour and your batter. So I place some oil in my pan over medium heat. So first we flour the fish. With plain flour, make sure everything is nice and coated before we take the fish and apply it to the batter. This would give the fish a really beautiful, tasty crust. The inside would still remain flaky and juicy. Now we will re-add flour on top of the fish after we would have placed it in the batter. Shake it down to release all excess flour. And then we go in, lay it away from you. In my oil, guys, I do have garlic. You see that crust has formed already. I'll be doing another one. And all the fish is fried just the same. Flour, batter, flour. Look at that fish. Look at the crust on that fish. The ultimate fry fish. Super delish. And there you have it, guys. My beautiful, crusty, delicious fry fish. Guys, you must try this recipe. And please let me know how yours turned out. All right. If you guys are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you're here already, thank you so much for your support. Do enjoy.